Welcome to the introduction to the research tools of our library. There are various options available for your research. In the complete catalogue, you will find the print media for all of Liechtenstein's libraries. Primo allows you to perform a meta search across all the holdings of our library. Many databases are also connected. The search button takes you to the overview of our licensed subject databases. It is important that you are in the university's network when doing your search, or that you first log into the network via Citrix. Whenever you research with the Primo meta search, log into your library account first. Your user ID is the number on your student card, and the password is your date of birth, 8 digits without the dots. In addition to the general search, you can also conduct specific research in our journal collection. The advanced search allows you to search more precisely and narrowly down the results. Let's say we are looking for books with the title Alternative Marketing Approaches. Please note in the hit list the availability information of the media found. Our hit is available both in electronic as well as in printed form. In the title display, you will find under Details all important information about the title and its location. You couldn't find the right one under Search and Find. You can search directly in our licensed databases. These databases are arranged alphabetically by subject. Do you have further questions about the research? For individual research advice, write us an email or ask at the information desk.